shelter gave to man or beast. It ripped the clouds and seared the skies and tore the waves in fury. And in this hell a boat there came from land unknown without a name, seeking shelter from the storm on earth and unto me. Oh, I am come a merchantman, seeking shelter in your land. My name is Joseph, and this man is my nephew, my carpenter. How blue his eyes, how green his eyes, how dark his eyes, how grey, like the faces of the sea in June or dark December. We walked next day, that man and me. We skimmed our pebbles on the sea. He shared with me his 30 years. I shared with him my childhood. Oh, there will come the day, he said, when they will place about my head a crown of tears, and I shall be deserted by my kindred. But unto you, you child of man, although you know not who I am, I give my blessing for all time unto your land so green and warm. And then he knelt upon the strand and placed a pebble in my hand. It lay there, black of